Tomorrow is a scum. Tomorrow is ugly. Any fool person is the worst to deal with. God, we so lose our job right now.
And the ones that rape women, you do the and let them bleed out.
I've seen too many Islamics committing crimes. Their way of life is not the correct way of life.
Either put a bullet through his head or deport him.
Ring the buzzer for anything else, yeah?
He's got his boat right. He's just gone. And this guy's he tried to kick me yesterday, so I was absolutely decided. Absolutely sorry.
Whatever you say,
It
sir.
was like, thank you very much, mate.
I love taking fingerprints by force because I'm like, give me your fingerprints, but no, I'm going to break your fingers if you don't give them to me. And so we grab the other two fingers and you pull really hard and it snaps the tendon.
At the back of his legs trying to get the drop to the floor to put him in. He's just smashing his head off the top. I was like, alright, fine. Never got a complaint.
Trust here.
Hey, how you going?
You're new boy.
Someone new joins. Oh, no. You've got to figure them out, but the counter can't say.
Don't start hitting your head for being stupid.
I don't care about you.
Got a lot of check too. That's the real one, and then the fat one now.
She's pregnant, tried to kill her baby. It's in the stomach.
That's what she says.
Got a big footprint, I'm better than people. Yeah. The way you wear, yeah, that's what she says. Stabbed her in the stomach when she was pregnant. Like, don't. I thought it was going to rain down. But unfortunately, I can't. He's got stripes up the child.
In other words, he doesn't believe her. Individuals like him have the power to make those sorts of decisions about my safety, other women's safety. And that is terrifying, absolutely terrifying.
I saw a little dig in the back of the leg.
Don't talk us all into a big complaint.
Oh, yeah,
It's not always there, that's all.
Yeah, I'm new, I'm still learning.